And that was the 3 biggest mistake, and I have 2 bonus tips for you for sticking around so long. Overeating fat. When I dialed back protein and cut dairy, I started loading up fat because I had heard it was the key to starving full on carnivore. I drizzled extra tallow on my steaks and snack on pork rinds fried in lard, thinking more fat meant faster weight loss. What I didn't know I catch was how those calories was sneaking up on me. Fat's dense, way denser than protein, and it's easier to eat past what your body needs. I sugar a cup of melted butter thinking it keep me in ketosis, but my pants told a different story. 5 pounds up in the mouth. The logic is solid. Fat fuels without carbs, but if you're eating more than you burn, you gain weight, and that's period. Some folks swear that they can eat fat all day and stay lean, but that's what's not for me. My body stores it fast. Try this. Track your fat grams for a week and you'll see how quick it's add up. I watch people balloon from bacon grease while others trim down by measuring it out. Cutting fat to match my energy needs, about 100 grams a day, stopped the gain and peeled off 4 pounds in 2 weeks. Now I eat enough to feel good, not stuffed, and it works. And that was a tough lesson, but the next one hit me just hard. And that was skipping organ meats. For months I stuck to muscle meats like ribeyes and ground beef because they're easy to buy and cook. I ignored liver and kidney since they smelled odd and I didn't know what to do with them. But skipping those organ meats left me missing something big, and my weight creeped up as a result. Organ meats packed nutrition like vitamin A and B12 that muscle cuts can't match, and without them your metabolism can slow down. I felt tired all the time and my fat loss stalled. 3 pounds gained in 6 weeks despite sticking to the plan. Those vitamins keep your energy up and your body burning fat. Miss them and you're fighting an uphill battle. Some say beef is enough, organs are optional. But I argue that's lazy. My blood work so low, B12, and I felt it. Fry up some liver once a week and you notice the difference. I see friends perk up while I lag behind. Adding a palm-sized piece of liver weekly kicked my energy back into gear and dropped 2 pounds of stubborn fat in a month. It's not tasty, but it's worth for the boost. And that was my 5th biggest mistake.